आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, the question is find the fundamental period of f of x equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos of 3x. We have f of x is equal to cos of x into cos of 2x into cos of 3x. Now, periodic functions are like this. Periodic functions have f of x is equal to f of x plus t. Okay. Now, here t is fundamental period. T is fundamental period. T is fundamental period if t is the lowest value. The lowest value possible for which f of x is equal to f of x plus t. So then t would be set to be fundamental period. Now here we know that period of cos x is 2 pi. Now if f of x is a function and have period t, then f of kx, okay, multiplying the variable x by k, then period becomes t divided by mod of k. Okay, so here if cos x has period 2 pi, then cos of 2x would be having period of cos of 2x would be 2 pi divided by coefficient of x, that is 2, that is pi. Similarly, period of cos of 3x would be 3x not 3x, period of 2 pi, period of cos x, that is 2 pi divided by 3. Okay, so this is period of cos of 3x. Now we have function in multiplication, so period would be LCM of all three functions. So we have LCM of 2 pi, pi and 2 pi by 3. Okay. So LCM of 2 pi, pi and 2 pi by 3 is equal to 2 pi. So period is 2 pi. However, we have to check at suppose t is equal to 2 pi here. Okay. So f of x is equal to f of x plus t, but we have to check whether the period is minimum value or not. So we will check at t by 2. Okay, if a function is periodic at t by 2, then it will also be periodic at t also. So we have to check at t by 2. So at pi we will check. So we have f of x is equal to cos of x into cos of 2x into cos of 3x here. So f of pi, or we can say that f of x plus pi. Okay, we have to check at t by 2. So this is f of x is equal to f of x plus pi. Okay, this we have to check. So f of x plus pi is equal to cos of pi plus x into cos of 2 times, so this becomes 2 pi plus 2x into cos of 3 times pi plus 3 times x. This we can write. Now we should know that cos of pi plus x is minus of cos x, and cos of 2 pi plus any theta, any angle, is also equal to cos x. Okay, so here we have cos of pi plus x, so this becomes equal to minus of cos x, and this is cos of 2 pi plus 2x. Okay, so the angle is 2x here, so cos of 2 pi plus any angle is equal to cos of that angle. So here it becomes cos of 2x into cos of 3 pi plus 3x. Okay, this can be written as cos of 2 pi plus 3x. So this becomes minus of cos x into cos of 2x into, this is 2 pi plus theta, cos of 2 pi plus theta is cos theta, so this becomes cos of pi plus 3x. Now this is equal to minus cos x into cos of 2x into cos of pi plus 3x. From this formula we can say that is equal to minus of cos theta, that is cos of 3x. Okay, so we are getting this minus minus becomes plus, so this is plus into plus of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x, which is the same function. So here f of x, so f of x plus pi is equal to f of x. Okay, so the period that we have minimum value is coming out pi here. Okay, now similarly we have to check at t equal to pi by 2 also. Okay, if pi by 2 is period, okay, then pi would also be period of the function, but we have to find the fundamental period, so it would be the minimum value. So at pi by 2, that is half of pi, we will have to check again. So f of pi by 2 we can write f of x plus pi by 2 we can write. Okay, at t fundamental period, pi by 2 means f of x plus pi by 2 is equal to f of x. Okay, we have to check whether this is equal or not. Okay, so f of x plus pi by 2 can be written as, from this equation, cos of pi by 2 plus x into cos of, this is 2 times of pi by 2, so this becomes pi plus 2x into cos of 3 pi by 2 plus, this is 3x. Okay, now this can be written as, this is equal to cos of pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x, cos of pi plus 2x is minus of cos 2x, and this is equal to cos of, this is 3 pi by 2 plus 3x, which is equal to sine of 3x. This is equal to sine of 3x. Okay, now we can clearly see that this is obviously not equal to f of x. Okay. So the minimum value of period, that is fundamental period, of f of x is pi. Okay, we can write f of x is equal to f of x plus pi. Okay, so here pi is the fundamental period. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।